The CD's coming next week, but it's online today because we're a little bit delayed on the production. But yes, it's available today on all major platforms.
Very nice. Well, we have you here. They called for a Hanahou. Shall we go?
Yes.
We go. One more time, please. A big round of applause for Makana Arce.
Mahalo. As I said earlier, one of my influences is Nakalapalai. I love to sing falsetto. This next melody that we're gonna do is one that they do, which is one of the many that made them popular. And the song is called "I Call Him Lord" because I do value Akua in my life, and I'm very grateful for the talents that I've been given from Keakua. So a song entitled "I Call Him Lord." Go. Master, Redeemer, Savior. Tomorrow, the beginning and the end. Oya ine ine, oya apopo, oya hoi amamoa. The angels called him Jesus. He was born.
Big round of applause for contestant number 3, Makana Arce. Beautiful, beautiful.